I think sentence comprehension is the key skill for reading comprehension and verbal ability. Reason is that no matter what you do, whether you're trying to do a verbal question or a comprehension question, the crux will be able to understand sentences. So a typical paragraph will comprise of some short sentences, some longer sentences, some very long sentence. And typically, if you look at most comprehension questions, you will see that typically a paragraph consists of 5, 6, 7 sentences. And why sentence comprehension is the crux is because if you can understand sentences, you can understand paragraphs. And if you can understand paragraphs, you can understand passages. It's as simple as that. So the unit on which you need to change your ability is the ability to comprehend sentences. So the question arises, what should I do for this? Can I do something consciously so that I can encapsulate everything into a shorter time frame? The answer is yes. Rather than going into reading long books, if you have 5 years for improving your comprehension, I can tell you to read books, but not in a 6-month or a 1-year framework. If you are in a short-term time frame and you are trying to improve your sentence comprehension, the whole idea is to start picking up sentence comprehension, challenging comprehension situations. So I can suggest 2 things. Randomly open 20 different tabs on your computer from 20 different websites and 20 different articles. Just keep flipping from one to the second to the third to the fourth. Read 3 sentences, read 1 paragraph from here. Practice sentence comprehension. Keep shifting your mind's challenges from one topic to the next, and keep trying different writing styles, different writing agendas, etc. on those 20 tabs for you. That's one exercise you should do. And just do 2 paragraphs on each of those. So if you have opened 20 tabs and 20 different articles, just do the first 2 paragraphs of every article. So that will give you the practice of 40 paragraphs of comprehension, and that will give you the practice of around 200 sentences of comprehension. And essentially, the better your sentence comprehension becomes, the better your paragraph comprehension becomes, and the better your passage comprehension becomes. The second thing you can also do is pick up some quotation websites and just don't read one person's quotations. Randomize the person, randomize the topic, and just read one quotation after the other, because every quotation will typically be a sentence which might be from as short as 10 words to as long as 30-40 words. So that will also give you a good practice of comprehending sentences. And I personally believe this is the crux skill. The moment you can handle your sentences, you will be able to handle everything comprehension wise.